We're making creamy artichoke dip. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making a creamy artichoke dip. This dip is so delicious and it's super easy to make. Plus, when you serve it to your guests, they'll be so impressed at just how delicious a vegan food can taste. So hop on board and let's get cooking. So in a medium bowl, we're going to add in 3/4 cup of our garlic cashew cream cheese, chopped and drained artichoke hearts, 2 tablespoons of minced fresh dill, 1 1/2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and ground black pepper. Now we're going to mix until well combined. This is a great recipe. We're going to use it to make stuffed portobello mushrooms. It also goes great in stuffed button mushrooms. And you can find this recipe in our cookbook, Veggie Outlaws Most Wanted Vegan Recipe, on our website, veggieoutlaws.com. That looked delicious. So easy to make. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.